how to know if someone blocked you on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today, we're diving into a question many of us have asked. How can you tell if someone has blocked you on iPhone? So let's get started. First things first, open up your messages app and then go to the chat where you think the person has blocked you. So try sending a text to the person you suspect may have blocked you. If the message shows up as delivered, then congratulations, you have not been blocked. But as shown on the screen, if it says not delivered or you don't see any delivery verification, that could be a sign that you've been blocked. Next, come back and go to your phone app. Now go to your keypad or your contact and then dial the number who you think might have blocked you. And then if the call doesn't go through or like you get forwarded to voicemail, then that means the person might have blocked you. However, also remember that their phone could be turned off, out of service, or they might have activated airplane mode or do not disturb mode. So you cannot jump to conclusions. So there is no definite answer to know if someone has blocked you. However, these are some of the ways that you can see the probable reasons. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.